In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all viruses on your iPhone. So this new year, make sure you watch what I'm going to show you step by step. So the very first thing you need to do, you need to make sure you're currently connected to an internet connectivity. Then tap on your settings, app settings. So this is going to come out. Scroll down. I'm sure you have seen lots of tutorials about this, but not all really tells you how you can be able to do this perfectly. So tap on these apps. So come on here from the search, type in Safari. So this is going to come out. So once this has opened up, scroll down, you're going to be able to see advanced option. So this advanced option, tap on it. So right now you're going to be able to see website data. This is the first option, tap on it. So what you need to do now, this is going to load up. Tap on remove all website data. So if you have mistakenly gone to a site and maybe you installed a virus on your device, you can be able to come on here and clear and remove all the website data. So once you're done with this first step, you need to go back again. Now, if you scroll up small a bit, you're going to be able to see clear history and website data. So open it up. So you need to tap on close all tabs. You need to tap on all history, then tap on clear history. So once you're done, you need to go back as well. So this is the second option. So you need to go back. So the third option is okay. You need to tap on this, tap on general. I think scroll down. You can be able to shut down your system, shut down your iPhone and restart it. You get? So you can also come on here. You can be able to reset your iPhone. You get? Or you can be able to erase all content and settings. Then once you're done with this option, I want to show you the last option. So you need to come on here from this option, type in files. So tap on it. So you need to tap on my iPhone. So you're going to be able to see these options here. So on each of the browser, make sure you go there and delete all your downloaded files. So once you have done it, restart your iPhone, everything is going to work out well, perfectly for you. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe.